how to refill the ink in the Epson printers. Welcome to my channel. Please like, share, subscribe. Let's begin. So instead of having to replace the whole ink cartridge, you're going to just have to replace the ink or refill the ink. This is where it gets its name Eco Tank from, because it is eco-friendly. Go ahead and pick a color to start with. I'm picking black, so I open the black blue tab and I'm opening the black ink. First, I'm going to shake it to make sure it's all good. You want to make sure that your number is matching up on your printer, right there where it says 522, with the number of on the ink bottles. And then you wait, and once it's filled up, you can remove the bottle, put the lid back on it, and store it until you need to use the rest of it. And then you'll close the blue cap lid for the black and open up the next color you're working on, and I'm going on to the yellow. And then we're going to repeat the process, shaking it, opening it, and putting it into the tank to refill it. Now, these are actually going through a tube into the cartridge in which you would usually replace, which is why they're Eco Tank, because you're not replacing them constantly, wasting plastic. And it's really satisfying to watch. When it's full, you just take it out, put the lid back on, and store it for later. Then you'll close the blue tab, make sure you have it closed all the way, and then open the next color, which is magenta in my case. We are going to repeat the same exact steps as we did for the first two, the black and the yellow. However, we have one final step to do together when we're done refill it. So stick with me until the end of this video. So once it's done filling up, again, you're going to take it out, put the lid on, and store it for later. Make sure you close the tab all the way and get ready for your last color or final color. In my case, it's cyan. I just refilled this one not that long ago, so I just had to top it off here just for the video. Okay, so even though it looks like we're done, we're not finished yet. So we're going to close that all up, and then we're going to go into the maintenance setting on our printer. I'm not going to skip any of it or edit any of this part out. I want you guys to see it all. So you go to maintenance and then over to fill ink. And this will have like how-to steps and stuff. We refilled all of them, so we're going to mark all of them. But if you only refilled like the black, just mark the black. And then you're good to go. If you have any questions, leave them below. I'll try to get back to as many as I can. Thanks for watching, you guys. Hit that subscribe button below. It's free. Have a good day. Bye.